Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 2 Part 3. Question number 31 to 45. Let's begin. Find the opposite word. 31. Fast. A. Slow. B. Small. C. Quick. D. Warm. (32) Expensive. A. Big. B. Cheap. C. Cold. D. Hot. (33) Hot. A. Cold. B. New. C. Warm. D. Small. (34) Big. A. High. B. Small. C. Tall. D. Slow. (35) Young. A. Old. B. Big. C. Small. D. Quick. (36) Are you married? No, blank. A. I am not. B. I'm not. C. I amn't. D. I am not. (37) Brazil, blank, in Asia. Blank, in South America. A. Is, it isn't. B. Is, it's. C. Is, D. Isn't, it's. (38) Snow is, blank. A. Cold. B. Hot. C. Small. D. Cheap. (39) Blank, Greek. Yes, I am. A. You. B. Are you. C. Am I. D. I. (40) We, blank, in a Russian class. We, blank, in an English class. A. Are. B. Are, not. C. Aren't, are. D. Am. 41. Rolls-Royce cars are blank. A. Cheap. B. Blue. C. Expensive. D. Tall. (42) Blank. Your teacher's married. Yes, blank. A. Is, he is. B. Is, he's. C. Is, she is. D. Are, they are. (43) Is it hot today? No, blank. A. It isn't. B. It is not. C. It's not. D. It not. (44) Are, blank, your parents? Yes, blank. A. They, there are. B. They are. C. They are. D. They. (45) Eliza, blank, from Greece. Blank, from Poland. A. Is, B. Isn't, she's. C. Is, isn't. D. Is not.